now we're gonna tuck her in for a nap and pop that bun in the oven, honey.
Hey Loonicorns, welcome back to my channel, Thrive with Lou. My name is Anna Luna. I am a musician, a teacher, a healer, manifesting my best reality. Let's be friends on all the social media sites. Just follow my handle below and join me live every Friday for my Vocal Warmies Friday, where I give you a free weekly voice lesson. You can stream all of my original music on all major streaming platforms, and now you can sign up for one-on-one music lessons with me and coaching as well. All right, welcome to another episode of Wellness Wednesday. Today, I'm so excited. I had to film today because I really want to put this video out for you guys just in time for Christmas. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a vegan mac and cheese. I'm going to teach you a Christmas dinner staple. This was a staple for my family growing up. It's going to be all vegan. My cheese sauce is actually made out of vegetables, if you can believe it. I make it from potatoes, carrots. I add like a dash of yellow mustard, nutritional yeast, spices to taste, like a whole bunch of spices. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So I will put the whole recipe and ingredients list on the screen for you and also below, so that way you don't get confused and that way you don't miss anything. Sorry, I keep forgetting to silence my phone. How cute is this phone case I made you guys? Anyways.
Yeah.
And then of course, Mr. Macy's, I love Rick and Morty, and it's a squishy. Okay, moving on. I'm going to show you how to do it. And the funny thing, I have to tell you really fast, because when I filmed this, I actually filmed this a few days ago because I had planned on, doing this video, but then we were craving the baked mac and cheese, so I actually made it before recording this part of the video. When I made it, I actually had my old blender still, and since then we've gotten a new blender. I told you guys I was manifesting a new blender, and we finally got it. It's super awesome. It actually cooks and blends, which is wild that I didn't even know blenders could do that. I'm super blessed and grateful, and yeah, I'll have to attach like a little snippet video segment of me showing you the new blender. Yeah, just share this yummy vegan baked mac and cheese for my fellow cheese lovers out there who maybe just want to try a healthier alternative, or maybe you're vegan, you're recently vegan, and you're learning how to do all the holiday cooking vegan style. This video is for you. I'm gonna go ahead and send you over to my kitchen, and then you will come back here and we'll wrap. And yeah, happy holidays, everybody.
I took my carrots, potatoes, onions, and a couple cloves of garlic. I boiled them down, and now I am blending them. I always have to do it in small portions for this blender because it's terrible when buying a new one. So I will combine these together and then add the spices and everything. Alrighty, so we are spicing this bad boy up. I have pretty much everything out here. My turmeric, used up the rest of the garlic, salt, seasoning blend. I threw in the rest of my zesty garlic herb. Just a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, because a lot of these blends have salt in them, so you don't need to go too crazy with the salt. And then of course a bunch of pepper. And then also don't forget your nutritional yeast. Last time I put a little bit too much, so this time we're just gonna do like this much, about half a teaspoon, I guess. Boom. And then we're gonna blend that puppy up. This is probably the most cheese sauce I've ever made. I almost forgot, you gotta throw in just a little dash of mustard, just a little squeeze, and I always finish it off with like a handful of follow your heart cheese, and I blend that up with it. Normally I get cheddar, but they were out at Sprouts, so I just grabbed the mozzarella. And I gave that a good stir. Now we're just blending all of our spices up. So I will take my casserole tray. So I got my cheese sauce, got my noodles in the casserole dish. So we're going to pour this over top. I forgot to mention also for the potatoes, I did not peel them. I soaked them overnight and then I just boiled them. I just cut them in half and then boiled them with the carrots and a little bit of onion and garlic. So now we will pour this over top. Give that pasta a toss in the cheese so they lay nice and pretty like up in the sauce. Shake that cheese on top, baby. There we go right there. Now you know we about to add these breadcrumbs, honey. Shake it with a spoon so you don't go crazy. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker. Oh, give it that even coat, honey. Fresh like Christmas morning, light dusting. Everybody knows that feeling when they wake up on Christmas to see that powder falling. Oh, when you wake up and it already fell. Everything is coated in a fresh coat of beautiful sparkling powder. Talk about that young snowfall. Be from a place where it snows on Christmas. You gotta give me a thumbs up below. Yayos. There we go. More cheese. Let's throw this whole thing on top. Alright, got that Parmesan on top. Now we're gonna drizzle with some avocado oil, honey. Drizzly drizzle, drizzly drizzle. I'm beginning to get really hungry on this holiday. Hit the top with a little salt and pepper, honey. Like that, like that. Now we're gonna tuck her in for a nap.
All right, and welcome back, you guys. Wasn't that fun? We got to make baked vegan mac and cheese together, and now you guys can make that for yourself or the people that you live with. So enjoy that. You can also make it anytime because anytime is a good time for baked mac and cheese. Like, who doesn't like that, you know? Also, you bring that out at a party and people are gonna be impressed. Just make sure you season it. Always season. Like when you're making the sauce, season the sauce before you toss it with the pasta. You know what I mean? Seasoning is key. If your sauce is on point, everything else is gonna be slamming. But if that sauce, if you don't have like enough salt or something, you can forget about it. So always taste your food. I can't stand a bland vegan dish. It drives me crazy. That's what got me cooking better, because I got tired of eating bland stuff that I'd paid $20 for. Veggie grill. Just kidding. I heard they're good. I've heard from a few people that they really like them. Their mac and cheese is not good. I would not recommend that. I'm sorry, Veggie Grill. You guys need to step your mac and cheese up. But I've heard other things are good, so maybe I'll give them a second chance one day. But for now, my baked mac and cheese is way better, and you're gonna love it. And yeah, you're welcome in advance. That's all I have to say. So I'm gonna head out now. You guys are making me hungry. I'm talking about food again, and yeah, I think it's time to go make some food of my own now. What should I make? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Something vegan, of course. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today for another episode of Wellness Wednesday. I love you mucho, 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 mucho. And I will see you again for the next one. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. May the holidays keep bringing happy holidays to you. Love and light.